Live from the Sandbar. Ain't no work going on this weekend.
Feeling fine with no tan lines. Sandbar on the river with a cooler of beer. Half a dozen girls and the water is clear. Ladies, it's okay to take your tops off. A perfect combination with the sun and the sand. I always try to keep some tan and lotion in hand. Ladies, let me know if I miss one spot. Wild women in white t-shirts, I couldn't believe my eyes. I stay away from the weekend work and it comes to no big surprise. I love the way that I live my life. It's a country boy's paradise. Little string bikinis and Corona flip-flops. Me and my buddy standing on the toolbox. Ladies, it's okay to take your tops off. I think that I'm in heaven, would you give me a pinch? And I know what it means when that little blonde winks. Baby, me and you need to go for a walk. Wild women in white t-shirts, I couldn't believe my eyes. I stay away from the weekend work and it comes to no big surprise. I love the way that I live my life. It's a country boy's paradise.
On a pontoon boat, headed to the beach. So many girls look so sweet. Now baby doll, what's your plan? Can you ride with me? You bet you can. With a white t-shirt and an all red thong, she jumped on in and lost her phone. I saw her frown and I said, what's wrong? She grabbed a beer and said it's on. Don't look now, but she's on the pole, dropping it down and getting low. People are coming from all around and we look like a floating town. Oh my, oh hell yeah, she danced so long her face is red. Then she let out one big rebel cry and her top came off and she let it fly.
Wild women in white t-shirts, I couldn't believe my eyes. I stay away from the weekend work and it comes to no big surprise. I love the way that I live my life. It's a country boy's paradise.
We were walking through the tall grass, heading down to the swimming hole. These beers ain't gonna last. You know we're always needing more, just looking for a good time, laid back and living slow. Everybody's feeling fine, watching that sun get low.
I watch the sun fade out in that big red sky. I'm just a creek bank chillin', it's the time of my life. Navigating through the tall grass, swimming and fishing with the cane poles, bobbers, and a bucket of crickets. Laid up on the gator slide, sipping that wine and catching all the white perches hitting the line. I got to get a mess for later on in the night, cause fish and grits is the shit when it's cooked just right. I got Mr. Smith's daughter hanging on to my arm. We just some country boys and girls getting down on the farm. In the bright summer sun couldn't get much harder, so the shirts come off and we jump in the water. I love going to a place that everybody goes and living in a town that everybody knows. Let's take it slow and just see where it goes. I love living my life where the tall grass grows.
Through the tall grass, heading down to the swimming hole. And these beers ain't gonna last. No, we're always needing more, just looking for a good time. Laid back and living slow, everybody's feeling fine. Watching that sun get low.
That old bright sun shining on some tanned up legs, old grilled up sausage on a piece of white bread. It don't get much better for some folks like us, and they ain't no weather gonna stop my buzz. And them youngins on a four-wheeler stirring up dust, Billy hiding in his truck trying to roll one up. Just a few good things in my life that I love, just a few good things that's in my blood. If I ever die young, don't cry for me, cause if my spirit lives on, you know where I'll be. There ain't many woods out there that ain't been found real. Everything but pines up out of the ground. Why me and my friends take time real slow, drop it down and fold low and let it soothe my soul. And if we do get stuck in a big mud hole, we'll sit right there and watch the sun get low.
Through the tall grass, heading down to the swimming hole. These beers ain't gonna last.